How to use Message to reveal sticker on Instagram story. In this video, I will show you how to use Message to reveal sticker on Instagram story. First, open or launch the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using because this tutorial is the same for all devices. Next, search for Instagram and check if the Instagram mobile application needs to be updated and update it. This will ensure you get all the latest plus the missing features on Instagram. After that, open or launch the Instagram mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. Next, go ahead and start creating a new story. I have added the background photo for the story. After that, go to the top menu or you will find different options. From the options, the one we need is the stickers option. It is this one here, tap on it. You will see this menu has all these different stickers. From the stickers that are here, look for one named Reveal. It has a hidden eye icon. Here it is, tap on it. As you can see, the sticker has been added to the story. You can also include some text for your views to read. After that, I will add a photo to the story that I don't want my viewers to see before they message me. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, as you can see, I have added the photo. Next, there is an option here named Preview. Tap on it and you will be able to see how your story will be blurred. This is how the story will look to your friends when they open it before they message you. Everything will be hidden. In case after updating the Instagram app, this feature is still missing, then the problem may be something else and you need to contact or report the issue to the Instagram support team. Make sure you explain to them very clearly and they will respond to you with a solution to the problem. That is how to use Message to reveal sticker on Instagram story.